right, Mab Lobes. Let's see if Marthy is in Tri-County landfill.
Is he up there?
Did you see him? Hank, will you please shut up?
I don't know where he is.
Oh, be quiet! Be quiet!
I ain't talking loud.
Is he in there?
I don't know.
I ain't talking loud! What's going on? No. What's this? No. Wait, what? What's this? What is that? Where am I going? Where am I going? Wait, what? What am I doing? Wait, what? Oh my gosh! Fiery furnace! No! What's going on? What's going on?
Oh my goodness, my bad. I didn't mean to.
Why is it made out of cardboard hot head?
I don't know, Marcy. Some kind of dimension? Of course I can. Just watch. What's this thing do?
Welcome to the island of the Willikin. We are the Willikin. You have just shifted into our realm, and we are happy to see you. If you want to shift back, go right ahead. But first, why not explore our town? It is filled with friends.
Marshy, what are those things?
Those are trolls, mace majors.
Oh, okay.
Those monsters are not good. Those monsters are bad. Please help us, friend.
I'm on fire!
You did it! You help us! You are truly friends!
Get to guard key. I am better at Skystone's playing. Hello, friend. Will you play with me?
Yes!
I give you my key if you win.
frigid Chompy. Chompy bought 9,000. Chompy. Inhuman shield. In fuego Chompy. Executioner. Spiderlings. Chompy bought 9,000. Life spell. You win.
You beat me.
I'm heating up. Really? A brick wall? He rises! Oh, okay. Fire in the hole! I think we need a bomb to blow that thing down.
Hey, that bomb may come in handy.
And he gets there.
Look, hot head! The bark demon turned into a root with flowers.
I'm just getting warmed up.
those crates for? Huh? Look out, Hothead, a bark demon!
Incendiary! Fly heat!
Have you heard of the Chompy Maid? Giant Chompy!
Oh, yeah? Oh no, Hothead, a giant chompy!
Greetings! I am the Chompy Mage, and you are not a Chompy, so I don't like you.
Yo, it's the chompy mage!
Oh, that's it then. I am through toying with you. That's my sneaky trick. I think I see the problem here. I'm not in the right form to defeat you. Chompy power!
Three cheers for our new friends! Since you defeat bad Chompy Mage, we have repaired your ship, but also make better.
Well, good as new, Marshy. But you have to destroy that drill first. Come with me.